What a perfect sunny day to play outside! Oh, yay! What should we do to beat this heat? I know! Let's make summer coolers! Hey friends, what fruit should we pick first? A scrumptious apple? A yummy strawberry? And a juicy watermelon! Let's blend them up! Yay! A red cooler! Let us give them another go. I'm going to take a yummy papaya, an orange, and a juicy melon. In they go. Let's mix them up. Woohoo! An orange cooler! Let's try another one. This time, I'm going to take a banana and a pineapple and a yummy mango. Woohoo! In they go. Let's mix them up. A yellow cooler. Wow! Today we learned that apples, watermelons, and strawberries are red. Mangoes, bananas, and pineapples are yellow. Oranges, papayas, and melons are orange in color. We had a fun learning day and delicious summer coolers to drink. Yay! Hi, I'm Elly and this is Eva and you're watching KidsCamp.